Hey, what's up everybody? It's Sebastian with Rev Past 6000, and today we are going to be gutting this 540i. Really, it's a 530i, but it's a swapped 540i motor, BMW Nickel. So we're going to be gutting this car and getting it ready for some new project. So currently, the 530i, 540i, we'll just call it a 540i, has a brand new motor but needs a new trans. So I have everything here for the manual transmission swap out of an E39, and we just need to clean this thing up. Just dirty, filthy. Liner is just disgusting. If you look up here, the liner is disgusting. The driver's side seat doesn't really work all that great, and the passenger side seat, although it looks all right, you can tell that, you know, it's just nasty. This just needs to be clean. Carpet needs to be ripped up. Liner needs to be ripped off. Dash is completely disgusting, so I'm thinking of just ripping that out. At the end of the day, this car, our goal for this car is to turn it into a drift machine. So, I know a lot of you are going to be heartbroken over this if you're being a BMW enthusiast, especially of these old E34s. But it's what I want to do. It's going to be fun. And yeah, we're doing it. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start getting this thing prepped and cleaned out. And we can start tearing some stuff apart. Let's do it. So first seat, passenger side seat is out of the E34. That was interesting. Wasn't hard. Just had these two bolts here that you had to remove, both different sizes. This one right here went into this hole, and this bigger one right here went into that hole. And then you just push the seat forward, and these two tabs release, and then you have to unscrew the seat belt, which is just let's see what kind of security screw this is. This was a what is it? What size was this? A T25 security screw. That's what I use to take the seat belt, well, to take the cover off. That's what I used to take this cover off, and then to get to the seat belt. The seat belt was actually this screw, and this thing right here went in here. Those bolts. Put this right over there. Cool. So to get the driver's side seat loose, you're gonna need a 7/16 socket, and you're going to need an 18mm if this is what you have to work with. To get the seat belt loose, you're gonna need an 11-inch wrench, and and also a T25 security screw. And I'll be showing you how to do that. I'm getting this seat loose. We're gonna plug the battery up just a second. That way we can get the seat forward a little bit so we can get to those screws. Cool. Moving the seat forward. Kind of get it to recline forward a little bit. Oh, we got some space. I believe that should be good. Right here, as long as I can see the bolts. Cool. And I do have a visual of the bolts, so that should be good enough. We're gonna unplug that battery, that way we don't get shocked or hurt in the process. Cool. Get our tools. Now to undo these bolts. This one is going to be the 7/16. So we're gonna break this loose, get it loose, and then this one we're gonna do the 11th. Now that we got the bolts undone for the driver's side seat, which were 7/16 on both sides, we're gonna use a T25 security screwy thing here to unlock this one and to get the seat belt out of the cover. See, the socket fits just like that, and you have one more in here. Dark hole, I know, but it's in there. All right, driver's seat's finally out, passenger seat's out, rear seat is out, bucket seat, whatever you want to call it. Now I'm gonna take out this center console. Now we can get all this carpet up and out. Then we're gonna do the liner. And yeah, we're making moves. Yeah. By the way, new seats will be put in here. Probably get some racing bucket seats, because with drifting you need bolsters that can hold you up and keep you from swaying in the car. So that's probably coming in. And then yeah, get this thing going. Alright, so everything's pretty much ripped out of this car. I'm gonna remove that center console there, so that way we can be able to fish through our manual shift transmission through there. And then yeah, this thing is gonna be getting a transmission swap pretty soon.